set, adjustment, and system is there, and file is there. In file, all the things you will get. What is the file here, and here save setup is there. Where to save, what should be the header of the file. It is there only. In system, you can see what is the interface, what is the system information. Like if you want to connect with your computers, so you will get the IP version also, serial number also. Here test is there. You can test the display. You can set the time also of this. It will use in save the data. It will come there. So generally what we call, if this product is there, you wanted to measure inductor and capacitors value. Suppose we have different of SMD fixture also. If you want to measure the SMD type component, we have also that type of. Here cable one, so this one is 1 meter, right? So we generally give here 1 meter exit. Then again open test we generally perform. Here it will come. If you I select all. As port means for one frequency it will do. For all it will create a list and it will do for all like this. From 4 Hz it will go up to maximum
8 megahertz.
8 megahertz. So if I perform this one, it will calibrate the values and make precise the instrument.
Okay.
So right now it is doing some open circuit calibrations. So if you are changing the duty, right, you have to perform once.
Every time we need to perform whenever
If you are changing the duties, not changing the duties means, suppose what we call, if you have open, make it, if you have taken this fixture out once, then again you should do.
Whenever you are reconnecting at that time, it is recommended to do one time. If it is kept like this and
then not
needed. Even after 1 week also.
Yes.
So what we are doing is like open open compensation.
Open compensation.
Okay.
And again sorting. Then I will sort this one. So here arrow is there.
Okay.
So if you see arrow is there, arrow should be like this. See, this one is 4-wire method. So there 4-wire method. We are measuring 4-wire method. So these wire, it will get like this sorting
90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay. No short circuit compensation is going.
Yes, sir.
Actually, we have one more connector provided by Hioki. Switcher.
Same thing you have to use.
So with this, what are the components that we can measure? I mean,
so this one is LCR method, sir.
No. With this 4-wire thing.
So this one is a fixture to make precise. Precise measurement.
Any limitations? I mean, this should be measured, this should not be measured like that.
No,
we can measure. Even our lab components, resistance, inductance.
Yes. For that only it is this. So it executed. Then if you see the values, right now it is 0.
Okay, 0 milliamp.
Not compensated.
Right.
So these are the things. Here it is showing what is VSE, ISE. Means this one is test voltage and test current. It is measuring. You can, if you want to have more other than this parameter, from here only you can select the parameters. So
let's go in a flow. First we'll do is like.
So first you need to do the adjustment. If you are starting.
Okay. Open short. That's all. Cable.
Yes, cable you have to give. Cable you have to define what meter it is. Then open, then short.
Okay. Then load is not required. Load compensation.
Right now we are not using
connecting load. Okay. That is meant for what?
So load compensation, generally we are doing calibration like IM3536 means that series, impedance series also. So we are having some fixture that can calibrate the load also. That
Okay.
will
This
compensate.
doesn't have actually.
No.
Okay.
So this one. So if you want to measure for off frequency, then use LCR.
Currently we are in continuous mode.
No, LCR.
Okay. Okay. White color is out. I mean,
Yes, yes.
dark color is the
Dark
active
color
one.
is the active one.
Okay. Right. Okay.
So then
It's done.
directly connect that equipment.
So
You'll
anything
get the
else?
values.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the thing.
Any other thing? So that I will bring the components now. Okay.
Okay. So this one is zoom in function.
Okay.
So the display will show the values bigger.
Okay. Zooming.
And
This guy usually it will send a AC signal or DC signal to measure the values.
so
DUT.
if you want some DC measurement, it will give DC.
It will take automatically.
Yes.
Okay. Let's assume I have one resistor.
Automatically if you select here RDC, RDC will come here.
Okay. Okay. Now this portion is completed,
is
right?
complete.
Anything else? Let's move to deeper now. Mode. I mean, just we are seeing the outer features.
Outer feature
These
is
are done.
like this.
Okay. Mode. Continuous or LCR. Then set means these are the. What is this one?
This
These
is
are
the
limitations.
setting.
Okay.
No, advanced setting is also there. Comparator you can create.
Okay, what we covered is
This is the
mode
basic.
adjustments. Okay, this is just a basic info. This is file for okay. Now only thing is adjustments we need to see. I mean, sorry, settings is need to check. Okay.
So see here, you can see if you want to select other than this 1 kilohertz frequency, you can select from here. You can give here into 10 into 1 by
Okay.
10. So
Okay.
if you
That means up to 1K it will measure in this setting, or the 1K
at
it is
1K,
K. It is
it will measure right now.
okay. Okay.
So
Because we are in LCR mode.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So if you select RDC,
No, continuous.
analyzer, then it will sweep some
Up
frequency.
to that particular value. If it is in
You
continuous
have to
mode,
define that one.
oh, that also we need to define. Okay. It's
From
not
lower
doesn't mean
to
that. Okay.
this is the signal level it is showing.
Okay.
So you can select voltage, constant voltage or current, constant current.
It depends upon our application.
Yes, your applications.
Usually, what is the thumb rule? For rod values, we will kept and these things.
Thumb rule like is if it is inductor. So we generally use constant current.
Okay. Capacitor constant voltage.
Constant voltage.
Okay. What else?
And DC bias is there. If you want to give some inject in signal also some DC biasness, you can inject here. So based on the application, whatever you are using and what you gonna use, then you can select like this.
Triggering.
Triggering is there.
Internal and
So
external.
internal and external. So right now we are selecting internal. That's why value it is giving. So if we select external, so for every value we need to give trigger once.
So external means display we need to press on
Display.
That doesn't mean that externally functionator has to give signal. No.
That one you can also control.
That is also there. Okay. Okay.
Then range, you can select the range and the hold option is there. So here low Z, if you want to measure the low Z, here you have to make it on low Z,
Okay.
lower impedance value. So these are the things. Here judge sync is there.
What does that mean?
So it will trigger for a certain period of time in syncing.
Syncing means?
Syncing means at same voltage signals, and whatever you are getting the signal from outer side, it will sync and give the results. I think you are not going to use this one. The syncings.
Now problem is now people are coming from different departments, civil, mechanical. Recently they are wanted to use this equipment. They are asking whether this feature is available or not.
Which type of pieces?
Recently one guy he developed what we call he working on wireless charging. He is from civil department. He wanted to measure the coil inductance. He is asking something 85 kilohertz whether we can able to get this or not. Can we inject the voltage or not?
Yes.
No. for that, I just wanted to get some overview familiarization.
So,
So that once it is there, then I will tell whether that is possible or not. First, I need to know.
it is possible.
That's what.
So this one is DC adjustment, DC delay.
RDC means DC resistance. Huh?
Yes, DC resistance. So this one, it will, if you select this RDC, DC voltage and DC current will also get injected in the systems.
What is line frequency over there? 68. Just it's an input frequency. Yeah?
What's it?
Line frequency.
This one, line frequency.
No, is it our supply frequency or
Supply frequency only.
then it should be 50, right?
Maybe I need to check this one. 50 or 60, both options are there. And in advance, if we go, comparator. So this one is I use just, you can judge the voltage also, means that LC value or LCR values. You can judge EOM is there. Display beep, you can make it higher beep if you want to make at judgment, it will beep.
No, but you told judgment itself, we are not going to use it for this.
What?
Judgment itself, the feature is not going to use, right?
You are not going to use, I said right now. Basically, people are using it for LC.
No, you can tell some application where judge will be used. And what
Judgment
application?
means ki, suppose if you are measuring a 50 millihenry inductor, you don't want to go beyond that 55. You have given some threshold value of inductor. You want some judgment beep sound should come. It will
Okay, if our threshold value exceeds, it will tell some value. Okay.
and you are giving some 45 values, not minimum from that 45 millihenry. It should go. That will also go. High and low value you need to decide.
Okay.
So these are the function. Memory function is there.
Memory for mention for what?
So memory, it will do how many number of counts you are going to save the data.
Any number of
Right now, thousands of data it will save.
Okay.
So this one is reset. It will reset the
All settings.
system, all settings.
Then
So you can create panel also. What type of test you want to do.
panel means?
Panel means you want some LCR values at 5 hertz, 10 hertz, 15 hertz. So you can create here more than whatever you want. Means the number of tests it will go, I think 120 maximum. So
That means sweeping, not regular.
sweeping, you will get the values also.
Okay.
So
What is epsilon?
this one is permittivity.
Okay. That we can define, or it will measure.
It will measure.
Okay.
This one is a high Z. So if it is open, you want not to give some judgment, so you can make it on and off based on your desires.
Okay.
Yes. It will reject the values of high Z's if you make it on. If it will not reject the values of high Z means higher impedance values. Basically, if the connection is not that far, then it will give higher values of Z. So it will check the contact check function. People used to have these contact check functions. Our probe is our probe is having good connection or not to the duties. So for that they are using higher Z functions. Contact is there. So if you want to check before the test, it will give the values of contact also. Timing you can set how much time it should take to check the contact functions. So these are the functions you can use.
IOUM means?
IOUM means ki it will generate a signals
Which one is that?
inside the instrument only. IOUM is basically. I think people are not using this one. This one is input output trigger. So judgment, if value judgment sum came, you want trigger output, that signal it will get output also from this. So these are in set mode. If you go in LCR, in LCR it can.
That is in continuous mode.
Can't.
I think LCR we need to go more.
So you can see also here, whatever you have defined, it is there.
What does open off means? Open off, short off means?
But again, you need to do that short
Compensation, huh?
compensation. Yes.
No, just now only we did, no?
This one,
Uh,
so we did compensation, right now it is off. Already we have done, na? Like short. If you want to make short, it will execute like this.
no, if its compensation is on, then it has to show on the main display, right?
What?
Compensation is done or not? How if I did the compensation, you wanted to perform your value, then it has to show, right, whether the compensation already performed or not.
Here it is showing, sir.
Oh, no, here it's showing in the main display, it is showing off, right? What does that mean actually?
You got sharp point. No?
Some more SMD means ki some SMD fixture will, you have different that picture also. If you are changing, then you have to do necessary.
Okay.
If it is there, no need to do every
So
time.
now this information is telling that what 1 kHz we are going to measure.
Yes.
Judge is the cable is 1 meter length, applied voltage is 1 volt.
1 volt.
The speed of measurement is slow. Compensation, maybe it's open compensation we didn't perform. Limit means?
Limit means ki you can define the range also, like
What range actually?
limit is there.
Current range?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, average means average of last 10 points. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
So it will average the values of measurement data.
Load compensation. Load means load compensation.
Yes.
Syncing is off.
Yes.
Low impedance off and jet synchron is off. DCB, IAS.
DC bias.
Oh, DC bias. Okay, DC bias is off. So this is the zoom option and then. Oh, sorry. Info AC. Okay.
This
Done.
one for information.
Right. Okay.
DC.
This portion is completed. Then this one.
So you can select the values.
At a time, how many values you can measure? 4. Huh?
Four.
So Z means impedance. Admittance. Theta means?
Theta?
Means what?
Phase angle. That
Okay.
LR.
Okay. Phase angle. Okay.
Series resistance, series parallel, capacitance series, capacitance parallel.
D means?
DX are inductance.
D and G.
G means acceptance.
Okay. X. No, X means acceptance, no?
X no. X means this one is impedance, admittance.
Conductance, huh?
D is acceptance.
Okay. G means conductance, huh?
G conductance.
Okay.
and
Q means quality
by
factor.
R, 1 by R we generally cut
Ah,
this one G, and series, yeah,
Parallel.
parallel Q.
quality factor.
Ah. These
RDC.
things are defined in the manual. What are these
Yes,
things?
yes,
Everything,
everything.
each and every
No,
parameter
that's what I taken a printout
Yes,
so that
yes.
we'll note down.
No,
Because
If you-
student can know, I
if
will
you-
show them.
If you have doubts, sir, better to go with manual.
Okay,
Each
right.
and
Right. Okay.
each and everything.
Now
is
I
once
will
again.
bring the components.
Yes,
We'll troubleshoot the
sure,
things.
sure.